Hey everyone, the Galaxy S24 series launch is just around the corner, and exciting new hands-on images of the S24 Ultra have surfaced, revealing some amazing upgrades. But first, let's dive into what's new, courtesy of the Chinese news website SOI. These hands-on images compare the S24 Ultra to its predecessor, the S23 Ultra. Notably, the S24 Ultra flaunts a revamped speaker design with a singular strip, hinting at improved audio quality. The microphone, previously situated elsewhere, now resides at the top of the phone, enhancing audio capabilities. The camera lenses, power, and volume keys maintain similar positions as the S23 Ultra, with slightly larger buttons. Notably, the S24 Ultra's top and bottom now feature a titanium build, delivering a flatter, more robust feel compared to previous aluminum models. The slightly thicker middle frame accommodates a larger thermal cooling system, ensuring optimal performance for the overclocked Snapdragon Agent 3. Moving on, the buzz around the S25 Ultra is building up, hinting at a groundbreaking 1-inch, 200-megapixel camera sensor. This innovation promises lossless 4x sensor zoom, setting the stage for a significant leap in camera technology. For S23 Ultra users, waiting for the S25 Ultra might be worthwhile. Samsung's plans for a 1-inch, 200-megapixel sensor suggest monumental upgrades, aligning with their long-term vision of a 440-megapixel sensor in 5 years. While the S25 Ultra brings considerable changes, the S24 Ultra is shaping up to be a substantial upgrade from earlier models. Your thoughts on these developments? Drop them in the comments. While the S25 Ultra brings considerable changes, the S24 Ultra is shaping up to be a substantial upgrade from earlier models. Your thoughts on these developments? Drop them in the comments. Exciting times lie ahead in 2025, but the S24 Ultra is already promising a lot. Subscribe for more updates, and I'll catch you later. Peace out.